Jesus, God, I'm finished. Why is this happening to me, God? Why? This is my only source of income. This is my source of food. This is where I feed. This is where I feed my family. Lord, why is this happening to only me? Lord, why? Why? Before I was talking of drought. Now I pray for rain. Now Lord has taken over everything. Lord, why is this happening to me? Why is this happening to me? God help me.
What kind of life is this? Eh? Can you imagine? My children, all of them, no food, no money to pay their school fees, and somebody is preaching for me, telling me that I should be Christian. What's the thing again? Supernatural what? Supernatural supply in harvest. Me like this, supernatural supply. When I never see food shop, really? Ha! I beg go. I can't. In fact, what I do talk, I'm not going to church again.
Before I take one shot my guy from himself.
Romanus! 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 Now, guy, come outside, Louis, my dad, come, sir. What did you do there? Come now. It's my dad. My guy, what inside since now? I just have to meet since. I'm not in the shop, I just want to see you, don't take. I don't taste more. Hey, remember that guy that come out to say, Flo, don't take over your farm. Don't say you hear that news. Okay. How far now? That show you. See guys in your mouth, man. Let me say guys did it. I didn't like this now, eh? I didn't like this now. See your man, see guy. See the best thing I'm going to go. I know they go just small guys that are small, just when I'm going to go. Car, people are not safe. Why is it like this now? See how farmer do.
They go.
Where is this boy? Steven!
Yes, sir.
Steven, what do you have in the house? Rice. Go and bring it now. Bring it. What's happening again in this country? The price of things is becoming so high. How will common man survive in this country? God, what is happening?
I said, this guy may save life.
Is it the only thing you have? But there's no meat in this rice now. Just drop it. I'll eat. Just drop it.
Where are they going? Now you're supposed to say they go. So if they work out, come and go, they follow us work out. Knock.
No. Who is there? Now you. Steven. Steven, not there. What is this boy? Where is this boy?
I'll be Steven now.
Steven, not there. Please, just wait a minute. I'm coming, please. Okay, sir. Steven, please check who is at the door. Where your Oga? And this small boy that they bring good money. Where your Oga for us? Some set of villagers. Okay, let me just. Small boy called villagers. Tell us how much. Hey, my God. No. Please, don't do that. It's well, eh? Don't do that. What happened that this one that you guys came to my house as early as possible this morning? Even if you don't see anybody, but if you look me for hair during grand now, you will say things they solve. Me, I know say things they solve. I know say condition of this country is critical. Someone comes to you because all these people that affect us, they know that affect you. See how you depress. Every day they depress. Every day they depress. My brother, all this is when they see like this now packaging now. This slide now packaging now. Just package yourself. That new car where they are, I don't buy. I buy that car just 3 days ago. I just bought 2 days ago, and I reviewed house around that. But then which soap they use make give us now? Look at them. So which soap they use? I don't use any soap, but see, as you see me like this, don't see me finish. I don't do jazz. How can make way? Because if it's small soap, just need to give us now. No use them. See, I understand what you guys mean by this. But first of all, I want to talk to my able brother here. Brother, I'm really sorry for what happened. I heard the sad news of the flood that flooded your farmland. At this critical time, issues like this, but when it's far beyond us, it's only God that understands. So please, don't worry, God will make way, okay?
Okay, sir.
So,
see, Oga, all this one you talk since, you just the rap. You know that. You just the rap. You cannot just tell me. You will look at all of us in this critical condition. Nigeria is not good, and you are telling me that there is supernatural supply for where?
So, since you guys said you want to know the kind of soap I'm using, you want to know the kind of jazz I'm using, you want to know the kind of cream and what have you that I've been using, but let me shock you guys. Should I shock you now? Okay. The truth of the whole matter is, we all attend the same church, right?
Yes.
And at the beginning of the year, what was our theme for the year? Supernatural. You're very correct. And what was the harvest theme for the year? My year of supernatural supply. And the harvest theme says harvest of supernatural supply. So that is the secret to my success.
I think make you reach like this.
Now let's make me blue.
Okay, let you.
See, you know what? At the beginning of the year, when the topic was introduced, I keyed into that particular topic and I said, I've been suffering. Standing in the thing, Gary now. Gary made me sit in the hair glass. I know this. Let me go together, but see, you see the thread, you see the thread. I keyed into that particular thing. And do you know what? That's how they do things. And that thing has been working for me as an individual. I don't know, because I said to myself, God, this year, I want this thing to be part of my success. And ever since I keyed into that particular thing, I saw everywhere, not just the open. In fact, some things I don't even know the way they pick up when they happen. But God has been faithful. So please, I know you guys might not understand that. Misunderstood this particular thing. You can swear that this is not it's never too late. This is not just for beautification. This thing here is a very strong prayer. You keep into this particular thing and it will work for you just like it has been working for me. That is the secret of my success. And I've been working towards it and God has been favoring me. So, you may ask how you do that. You have to pay your tax differently. You have to sow seed, good seed, and you must sow those seed in obedience, total obedience, not in partial obedience. You must sow your seed in complete obedience. And as you do that, you see God quickly because these are some of the things that I've done. It's not